Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to capitalize the first letter in Microsoft Excel, or how to use the proper function. Let's get started. First, we need to have a set of data available for us. Right here, we have given names over here, and we want to get the first letter of it to be capital. To do so, all we have to do is use the proper function. Press the equal sign in your keyboard. Then type proper. Once you do so, all you have to do is either press your tab key or press the open parentheses button. Next, select the text that you want to get the proper version of. Once you've done that, close the function and press enter. Now, as you can see, our lowercase name just got the capital version of it with the first letter only being the capital one. To apply this to all the other cells, all we have to do is drag the function down to the bottom of the list. As you can see, even though there are multiple capital letters scattered among the letters of the names, it made it so that they would be turned into smaller letters, whereas the first letters are retained or turned into capital letters. And there we have it. This is how we use the proper function in Microsoft Excel. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and comment on what I should do next. You can also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for updates on our future videos. Once again, this is Gab, signing out.